Hi everyone, hello and welcome to Home Kitchen Diary. So today I'm going to share the recipe for dates biscuit roll. So dates is considered to be a superfood and it's an energy booster too. So this can be one of the items for your kids' snack box, and this is something which is equally enjoyed by adults and kids too. And I'm sharing a basic recipe for dates biscuit roll. So the biscuits can be substituted with broken nuts such as the walnuts, cashews, pistachios, pecans, etc. And you can also use some roasted oats in this. So without wasting time, let's look into the ingredients and the process in detail. The main ingredient dates, butter and sugar. And the dates has to be crushed well, so remove the seeds and crush it this way. This is how it's going to look like. Now heat up a heavy bottom pan, add in sugar and butter. As the sugar and butter melts, add in the crushed dates. Mix it well. Initially, it's difficult to stir this mixture. Gradually, as the butter, sugar melts and incorporates well with the dates, it becomes easier. So this process will take somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure you stir in the mixture throughout in low flame. So at this stage, you need to stop as the date starts coming off the pan. Now we can remove it from the stove. Now add in the biscuits. Just roughly break these biscuits into 4 pieces and add it. So I have taken 20 biscuits here. Now mix these biscuits well into the dates. Just like so. So this is how it's going to look like after you completely mix the biscuits. This way you can add broken cashews, walnuts or roasted oats as well. Now we need to transfer this to a working space in order to roll it out. So transfer this to a parchment paper on your countertop and then using your hands roughly roll it out to both sides. So it's a smooth roll right now, and now we need to cover this roll with the parchment paper and refrigerate it. So I'm covering it. Cover it well and close both the sides and refrigerate it. So we have to refrigerate this for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. So I'll show you after I refrigerate this mixture for 2 to 3 hours. So I have taken it back from the fridge after 3 hours and this is how it looks. It's hard and stiff. So now we can cut them into slices and the dates biscuit roll is ready to be served. So as you can see the biscuits in the dates mixture, this is how it looks. You can either slice and store them or you can store it as a roll and slice when required, and it stores well in an airtight container. Hope you liked my video. So as I told you before, dates is an energy booster. So this snack can be taken while you go for a picnic. And another thing is that if you have a kids party at home and you plan to give a return goodie bag, this can be one of the items in that too. So for my son's birthday, I did the same and it was loved by everyone. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.